Hey guys! So today I just wanted to bring to you a shoe purchase that I made, and it's by Naked Wolfe. Yeah, so I just wanted to give you a quick unboxing because I know when I was looking for these shoes online, I really wanted to see them on somebody and see somebody review them before I purchase them, just because they are $200 and they come from the UK, and so maybe there's a what do you call that? So I wanted to bring you a little review of these shoes. So actually I didn't buy it from the seller itself. I actually bought it from Poshmark. Luckily they miraculously had the same size and the same style that I was looking for, which is the style sporty and the color taupe, and I got it in size 37, which is a US 7. So let's get into it. Okay, so here's the box. I'm guessing this probably happened at, I don't know, the person that I bought it from. This is how it came. So then you get in here and you get actually your dust bag, and you get 2 of them. So one for each shoe, I'm imagining, because they're kind of big. So 1 and 2, and here is the logo of the wolf from Naked Wolfe. And here are the shoes. And I have already looked at them and they were all great. I had no problems at all, and I paid a little bit cheaper. I didn't have to pay that custom fee. I think that's what it's called, custom fee. And then here you could see the logo of that wolf, and here as well. I've used them outside already, so I'm guessing this is where it came from. But just, you could easily wash that off, the cloth. But yeah, so here it is. It's right there. It says Naked Wolfe. And the shoelaces, okay, just tie them. And there it says Naked Wolfe again. And the bottom, the soles, Naked Wolfe. There it is. Yeah, so it's actually a really nice shoe. Like I said, I have already worn them out once, and they did not feel as heavy as you would think they do feel, but they felt very nice. Definitely, I wouldn't recommend them if you're like tourist, new city, but they're definitely probably better than heels, I would say, or like some sort of boots. So they're very comfortable and they look really nice as well. So I really like them. It's a nice suede material. Yeah, here are the shoes. I don't know, I always felt a little bit self-conscious wearing chunky shoes, but I think this one's a nice color that it kind of blends in. It could pass off as a hiking shoe, maybe. Okay, so here they are on. Just wanted to show you how they look on the feet. Yeah, okay. So yeah, it's not the most subtle, but it's not a white shoe that looks very in your face. So if you're just trying to get into this chunky shoe, but you don't want a white shoe that's very out there, I would definitely recommend getting a taupe color. So these shoes cost about $200, but maybe you could find some on Poshmark as well for a little bit lower. You can make an offer. Alrighty, I just wanted to do a very quick run through the shoes so I could show you how they look in front of a camera and like on a person, because sometimes what you see, you see them on Instagram models, and sometimes you want to see it on like an everyday outfit, not an Instagram influencer outfit. So yeah, these are the shoes. I highly recommend them if you were already looking and eyeing them. There's a lot of dupes out there, so maybe you don't want to spend $200. I've seen dupes and Nasty Gal, maybe Forever 21. So yeah, just look around, and yeah, hope you enjoyed this, and hope this was helpful for anybody that's looking for this taupe sporty Naked Wolfe shoe.